Whether you're an athlete fighting to get back in the game, recovering from knee surgery, or simply someone who's tired of that feeling that your knee is about to give way, knee instability can be debilitating. This is the Playmaker 2 Wrap. It is one of the most trusted intermediate level braces on the market. But who is this really for?
If you're dealing with mild to moderate ligament sprains, specifically the ACL, MCL, or LCL, this brace provides the structural support your ligaments currently can't. It's also excellent for protecting meniscus injuries and preventing hyperextension during sports. We are looking at the wraparound version today. This is the ideal choice if you have swelling that makes pulling on a sleeve painful, or if you simply want the convenience of putting a brace on without taking your shoes off. It gives you heavy-duty protection with low-profile comfort. To get that protection, the fit must be precise. Don't guess your size. And here is how to measure correctly. Find the center of your kneecap. From that center point, measure exactly 6 inches or 15 centimeters up your thigh and mark that spot. Now measure the circumference of your thigh at that specific mark. Do not pull the tape tight and keep it flat against your skin. Match that number to the DonJoy sizing chart to find your size. Once you have the correct size, let's get it fitted. Start by sitting on the edge of a chair with your legs slightly bent at a 45-degree angle. Undo all the straps and Velcro so the brace is open flat. Once you've done that, slide it behind your knee. Now this is the most important step. Ensure the hinges on the sides are aligned with the center of your knee joint and the donut cutout is centered over your kneecap. Wrap the bottom flaps around your calf, then the top flaps around your thigh. It should feel like a snug, firm hug, but it should not cut off your circulation. Now for the straps. Proper strapping order ensures the brace stays in place. First, tighten the strap immediately below the knee. Second, tighten the strap immediately above the knee. These two straps lock the hinges in position. Then, finish by securing the remaining top thigh strap and the bottom calf strap. Stand up, move around. The hinges should move with you, mimicking your natural knee movement without slipping down.
So now that you know about the Playmaker 2 Wrap, don't forget to click on the next video to learn more about our bracing products. Also, like and subscribe for more recovery tips. And as we like to say around here, let's get back to living.